Hi everyone, come on in. Welcome to our apartment. So Ravi and we moved into this apartment in February last year, and I love all things interior design, all things house tours, so we thought we'd show you what our apartment looks like. It's taken us some time to curate all the furniture that we've gotten, so if you like anything in this video, I'll make sure to link it down below so you guys can check it out as well. So this apartment is a 3-bedroom plus study penthouse style apartment. It is west facing, which gets really hot during summertime. I'm literally sweating right now, and I know Ravi is as well. He's just behind the camera. This apartment is also about 15 minutes to the city, so it's super convenient. It's the closest we've ever lived to the city. The amenities for this complex, we've got a swimming pool, we've got a gym as well, and we've got 2 car spaces as well. We pay $1,200 per week. I know it's a little ridiculous, but for us, our home is our office, our studio, our workspace. It's also a place where we can unwind and enjoy being homebodies. So let me show you around. So starting off, we have obviously the entryway where you guys are standing. We've got a shoe cabinet here. We've got a place to pop our keys. And this is our little corridor, as you guys can see. We've just got a whole bunch of candles. We've got some shopping bags down there as well. So the way we have it is so it's practical for us. Now, the first room we've got here is our guest bathroom. So come on in, I'll show you around. We have got a bathtub in here. I've only used this bathtub once in the 1 year that we've been living here. And here we've got obviously the vanity, the toilet, and just some decor to make it look really nice. So as you can tell, the aesthetic that we're going for is like beiges, neutrals, nudes. I think such a calming sort of color. So we love that, that we've incorporated those kinds of colors here. Now to my right, we've actually got some stairs. As I said, this is a penthouse. So I'll take you guys upstairs in a little bit. We've got the Harbour Bridge view upstairs, which is really nice. So let's move into the living room, my favorite place and the place where we spend majority of our time. Actually, before we head into the living room, we've got our laundry in here. So this place came with a dryer, which was super convenient. So we just bought a washing machine. We've got a sink in there as well, which is super handy. Before we get into the living room, let's go via the kitchen. So this is our beautiful kitchen. We've got a lot of blacks in here, which I absolutely love. This is the fridge that we bought. All the appliances that you see, we've obviously bought, and we've hand-picked them specifically to match the aesthetic. I love this kettle. This is actually one of my favorite kettles. This is actually a kettle that we spent, I think, about 2-3 months trying to hunt down. It was sold out everywhere, but finally got our hands on it. And we've got like the matching toaster to go with it as well. We've got some amazing Japanese knives as well, and definitely make cooking and cutting a lot easier. We've got our pantry here. We've got a lot of storage as well, which is really nice. This kitchen does have a dishwasher as well, which is super convenient, and we've got a lot of storage here. We've got obviously an oven, a stove, and it's functional, and that's how we love it. Now, just next to the kitchen, we actually have the first study. So this is our study room. We haven't kept it as a study. We've kept it as a cozy little corner. We've got a bean bag, we've got a bar cart here, and we've decorated this beautiful sort of cabinet with beiges, neutrals. And this area is a space where I sit from time to time. It's just so relaxing, and I feel like it's zen. So let's move into the living room finally. So we've got an open plan living room and kitchen, as you can see, and right in front of the kitchen we've got a dining table, this 6-seater dining table, which we've entertained many times before, and we've loved having people over. And
it's also super heavy.
Yeah, it's very heavy. That's like my bad, because I bought it and I love the marble, but it's 100 kilos. So it's going to be a pain to move this when we decide to move. So on the left here, we've got our TV. Now this is something that Ravi selected himself. He wanted a massive TV. I believe it's 85 inches.
Correct, yes.
Yeah, so it's a huge TV. It's amazing for, you know, movies and watching sports and whatnot. So as you can see, beautiful black wood cabinet there. Now I'm gonna switch over. We've got our couch just here. This is obviously the place where we spend majority of our time. It's super comfortable, it's cozy, and we love that it's an L shape. And one thing actually is that we bought an ottoman as well. So for nights where I'm laying on that side, Ravi can also bring around the ottoman and he can also, spread his legs out as well. So it's super functional. Now with the coffee table, we've got it to match the cabinet for the TV as well. So as you can see, there's a bit of a theme going on. And now let's go into my studio room. This has taken me a very long time to create, but I'm finally happy with how it's looking. This is a place where I shoot a lot of my YouTube videos. You may see this backdrop in all of my videos. This is probably one of my favorite backdrops I've ever had for my YouTube channel. I love the theme, the beige, the neutrals. It's just so calming, as I said. Like, I'm all about the calm space. Here I have my desk, which I absolutely love. I spend hours at my desk and it's just my creative space. It's where I do all of my planning and my work. As you can see, I've got my Frank green as well. Might take a sip, it's a hot day today. And fun fact, I actually went out and got curtains today. It's such a dodgy job, but it will have to do. It's what I wanted, but I couldn't find something that would, be long enough for this room as well. And I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg on, designer blinds.
Because it is rental, right? So
it is a rental.
Go in and just do your own thing.
Exactly. And you may have noticed that we don't have any paintings up as well. So it is what it is, but let's go into my bathroom. This is a very small bathroom, but it's very practical for me. This is where I get ready in the morning, and this is just my space, my room, and I absolutely love it. So this is my getting ready station. I've got everything accessible for me. I've got a shower here, I've got a toilet, I've got my cabinet here with all of my skincare, makeup, sink and whatnot, and this is honestly where I spend probably half of my life getting ready.
And this is the area I'm not allowed in, right?
Yes, you're not allowed. Why would you come in here? You've got your own bathroom.
Yeah, well,
we've got 3 bathrooms.
I want to do some makeup and stuff.
No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, now let's move on to the other side of the apartment. That's where we've got Ravi's room and we've got our bedroom as well. So come along. So we've got Ravi's studio here. This is where he creates his YouTube videos as well, and he works from here. As you can see, it's very small, it's minimal, but we decided that Ravi doesn't need the extra space, unlike me. So he's got the smaller room here. As you can see, it's quite functional, practical, and that's what we're all after, just getting the job done really. So this is his workspace. Now let's move into our bedroom. So this is our bedroom, this is our Zen space. As you can see, it's quite airy, quite white, and that's how we love it. Really nice and fresh. We've got a little bit of greenery as well in here. And as you can see, paintings are on the side. We haven't been able to hang these up. I mean, we can, but why go through the headache of, repairing it and patching it up once we have to leave from here. And as you can see, there is a bathroom in here. So this is Ravi's bathroom. We've got dedicated bathrooms for ourselves because that's just how we like it. So as you can see, it's quite small, but it gets the job done. We've got a toilet here, we've got a shower here, and we've got his makeup getting ready sort of area as well. And now let's go to the front of the apartment again, and let me show you the balcony that we got, and then we'll head upstairs. So as you can see, we've got our balcony here. We've recently purchased this outdoor living space or outdoor dining area, and we've used it a lot already, which I absolutely love. We've also got a barbecue here as well, where Ravi cooks from time to time. Absolutely love it. We love a good barbecue. So this balcony actually wraps all the way around to the bedrooms as well. So as you can see, it goes all the way down and it just connects the 2 spaces together. Okay. Now, the best part of this apartment, let's go upstairs and let's check out the view. So starting off, we have our money plant here. We've not really done too much to the space upstairs because we hardly come up here except for the morning for about 10 minutes to get our vitamin D. But let's go outside now. So I've just come outside here. We've got a lot of space upstairs. So let's keep going. So as you can see, we've got an entertainer's paradise here. We are yet to host some parties upstairs, but that will happen very, very soon. I believe, how big is this space? I think the entire apartment is about 180 square meters, I think. And obviously, as you can see, a lot of space here. You could host an amazing party here. And the best part now is to show you the view. So let's go. So behind me, we've got the view of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. This is actually where we viewed the New Year's Eve fireworks from, and it was absolutely amazing. We've actually got, because we're quite high up as well, we've got a 360 view of everything around us, which is incredible. So there we have it. That is our full apartment tour. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And as mentioned, I will leave the links to any furniture that we bought in the description box down below. So make sure you check that out. And that is it. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.